Hi friends, I'm Irfan and you're watching my YouTube channel IrfanCreates. This is action figure part 17 and part 1 to 16 you can get from the I button. In this part, I will show you how I made torso muscles. So, I have designed these muscles by keeping in mind all the articulated joints. So now it can bend the neck left and right easily and also front and back with these muscles, and can move the clavicles up, down, or left or right in every direction. It's a universally rotation, and can turn its chest left, right, and bend in front and back direction. When it bends in front direction, its lower abs goes inside the upper abs. So this was its muscles overview. If you guys want to see its making, please watch the video till end. And now let's start the video. We have clavicles left and right back muscles template. After completing, both look like this. I made both of them. This left back muscle will be sticked here. Inside, it has to be glued on only one edge. Because all inner parts are movable, so glue cannot be applied anywhere else. Here, we'll have to apply much glue from outside so that it grips nicely. Now it's sticked properly, and in the same way the right side part is also done. These are back jacket cover and neck template, and I have combined all cuts of both template. Gave this template a curve shape while pasting brown paper strips inside the back jacket. Now glue has to be applied on all three sides of this part, and the jacket needs to be glued only on the top edge so that it doesn't stick to the other movable parts. Now we'll stick it on the back side. Because of thick layered, it's getting too hard to hold it, or you can use super glue over here. So now this back jacket is pretty well sticked. I have completed the neck too, just had to stick 3 cuts. Now rounded up this neck template and will join this edge, and sticking it on the figure's neck joint like this. So the figure's neck doesn't have any detailed muscle. Here I want to give an angular shape, so the covers of both clavicles have been cut, and when we'll stick chest parts, the look of the clavicle bones will appear. Now we'll stick this angular piece here. Its dimensions are as per requirement. As you can see, opposite side angular piece is already sticked. So now we'll work on these two chest templates. We have to stick these cuts. The process is pretty simple. Stick a paper strip on back side of template and combine these two edges on that strip. Dragging fingers over the combined edge, it allows smooth and curved shape on template. Rest all cut can be stick in the same way. Now the left chest muscle part is completed and it just look like as I want. And now the right one is also completed. Now let's move ahead. This template will cover collar, back and wings part. So let's stick all cuts of this template as I have done before. Now the templates all cuts are combined and it looks pretty curved in shape and perfect. Gluing on collar's template and sticking left chest muscle on it. Here we need to connect wing muscle with chest. So I am bending its other end and will connect this end with chest muscles. For to connect it with chest muscle, I am using a paper strip and combining the two ends of wings and chest template. Torso muscles are taking shape and have to layer it with brown paper from inside. Now this is chest, its collar, and this is wings part. This is upper abs template, and it will be directly connect with chest and ribs. It's pretty much done now. Let's work on clavicles. I have drawn two lines over here. Bending the first line backward, it will work as clavicle bone. Now next, I am bending it forward on second line. It will appear as clavicle and collar connecting line. Okay, I have completed the right side part of torso and drawn a line on its collar muscles. Actually, I wanted to make a cut on it. Done this already on left part. After this, clavicle can move up or down easily. Same shape has to be given to it too. So, when it is applied to the action figure, it allows the clavicle joints to move freely. That is why it's cut over here. It has become very tough due to the layering of brown paper inside it. After trimming collar muscle, both parts are ready to stick. So let's move towards our torso rig. Here in front, I have sticked a square shaped part made of brown paper layers, and in center it's deeply cut, looks like V shape. At the back side, same thing has been done. So this front and back squares helps and gives strength to our figure's muscles while articulation. I will glue over here so that these muscles parts get good grip while sticking. Now I am gluing at squares. In front will glue on left side and in back will glue on right side. I am sticking now first left torso muscles part, and guys, here we have to match clavicle line. Getting hard time to stick this muscle part. You can use super glue over here so you don't have to hold it too much. Now the left part is sticked well. We'll stick right muscle part in the same way. After gluing the rest both sides, we will paste this part as well. Here it is important to match both parts clavicle lines as well as chest and abs. Now both parts of torso are sticked well and back portion is looking nice as well. I have used a fine paper strip in the middle of chest to hide the combining line. And I manage the upper abs center gap by sticking some paper on it. And here a minor gap is appeared above the abs, which will help in free moving while articulating the figure. Now the neck can be rotated universally with its muscles. Now let's check it on reference. The model is looking as we have planned it. We'll make its pelvis muscle part with legs. So I'm leaving it like this for now. In next video, we'll work on shoulder and arms. If you like this torso muscles video and if you want to give same muscles to your action figures, so share this video with your friends. And my channel has completed 1.5k subscribers. When I will complete 2k subscribers, I will post the template made in this video for free and will drop the link in the description box under this video. Guys, share this video with your friends so that you can get this template quickly. And it's time to go, friends. We'll see you in the next part. Till then, bye bye friends.